Hey, do you own a Sub-Zero? Well, I got great news for you, the Appliance Doctor. Now it's summer, it's 90 degrees out there, and if you own a Sub-Zero, we have a Sub-Zero special for you right now. We come and clean your coils, we come in and check your gaskets, check your drains, make sure they're unclogged, nothing's leaking. We check the temperature of your refrigerator and your freezer. We make sure all the motors are running fine. And that special right now is for $275. And that's good to the end of September. But get your Sub-Zero checked now, because what happens in this heat is that all the hot air goes to the top, and if the fan ain't working or if the clogged coils, then your compressor will overheat, and now you have an expense that could cost you over $2,000. So call us up at 1-800-339-0353 and get that summer makeover special for $275. Thank you and have a great day.